In this video we will talk about simple food diet nutrition remedies for common health ailments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Simple food diet nutrition remedies for common health ailments. You are what you eat is a simple, time-tested adage that still holds true today. There are non-medical remedies that can help with many of today's most common illnesses and conditions. In fact, making simple changes to your food diet to cure your common cold, acne or constipation problems is a much better choice than resorting to drugs. For one, natural food and diet remedies most often do not give you harmful side effects that Western allopathic medicine can bring. Here are some health ailments that can be easily treated with a simple food and diet remedy. Allergies. More Americans suffer from allergies than ever before. Perhaps the best remedy for allergies is drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day. Garlic and cayenne pepper have been used for years, and a good intestinal cleansing has been shown to provide relief. Almonds and walnuts, as well as sunflower seeds, reduce symptoms, and make sure that you are taking a multivitamin with the recommended doses of vitamins C, A, E and zinc. Acne. Acne in both teens and adults is also becoming more and more common. There are many natural dietary changes that you can make to help clear up your skin. First, drink water. It flushes out the impurities. Soy protein helps, as does increasing your consumption of whole grains, fresh fruits and root vegetables. Have 3 servings of oily fish weekly and add some cold-pressed seed oil daily. Constipation. To help constipation, increase your intake of folic acid. Apple pectin can help relieve constipation and add fiber to your diet. Try drinking some ginger tea or yerba mate in tea form. Cod liver oil is a tried and true, but hard to swallow, remedy. Warm dandelion tea also helps. Stress. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, has been used to relieve stress and normalize cortical levels. Limiting caffeine can help the body to reduce the level of adrenaline. When you're particularly stressed out, eat carbohydrates and fresh vegetables. They help the body release serotonin, which produce a feeling of well-being. Cancer. Consuming the trace elements that are plentiful in seafood has been shown to help cancer patients. Broccoli, mustard greens, cabbage and turnips have been recently touted as not only preventative maintenance but perhaps even cures for different types of cancers. Limit your fats. Help your body cure itself by trying some of these simple food and diet changes. By also including them in your regular diet, you also help in the prevention of these health problems and to build a strong immune system. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.